Hello guys, welcome to DATAHACKS. In this video, we are going to discuss about a popular library for form handling in React called Formik. Before that, first we have to understand the normal form validation. Then only you can understand the verbose and rigid and complexity present in a normal form, and you can understand the advantages and features present in the Formik. So first, normal form validation involve a form components and using a state to keep track of inputs. The input validation is done using condition statements, which can become complex and difficult to maintain the number of input increase. So next we are going to see about Formik. The definition of Formik is Formik is a library that simplifies a form handling in React by providing a state of tools and abstraction to manage form state and input validation. With the Formik, you can focus on your form logic rather than worrying about state management. Next, I'm going to explain about key features. Simplified state management. Formik handle the state of your form input and allow you to access them easily. Next, input validation. Formik come with built-in input validation, making it easier to validate your user input, and it improve the performance. Formik only re-render your form components when necessary, improve the performance compared to normal form validations. Next, we are going to see about the difference between normal and formic validation. State management. In normal form validation, state management is manual and complex. With the formic state management, it is simplified and handled by the library. Next, input validation. In normal form validation, input validation is done using condition statement. With Formik, input validation is built in and defined using simple validation function. Next, performance. A normal validation can lead to performance issue due to re-rendering of entire form on each input to change. With the Formik, only the necessary components are re-rendered, leading to the improved performance. So the conclusion is Formik is great library for handling in React. Please provide your thoughts about Formik in comment sections. So the conclusion for this is Formik is a great library for form handling in React. It simplifies the state management, input validation, and improve the performance compared to the normal form validation. So if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe the YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video.